You've seen the headlines: millions stolen, Bitcoin hacked. But here's the critical distinction they almost always miss. An exchange getting hacked is not the same as the Bitcoin network getting hacked. The network itself is extremely safe. It's the layers we build on top, the apps, the websites, our own personal security, where things go wrong. Since its creation in 2009, the Bitcoin network has never been successfully hacked, not once. Its global ledger of transactions is secured by a process called proof of work, making it immutable. There are no forged transactions, no counterfeit coins. To attack the network directly would require an amount of energy and hardware so vast, it's economically pointless. For over a decade, it has run without interruption. So if the network is a digital fortress, where are the real weak points? They're the places you interact with it: the exchanges, your phone, your email. Attackers use phishing scams, SIM swap attacks, and malicious apps to trick you, the user. This leads to the most important rule in this space: not your keys, not your Bitcoin. When you leave your coins on an exchange, you are trusting them to hold it for you. It's an IOU. When you move them to a wallet that you control, you truly own them. Taking control is called self-custody. For long-term savings, a hardware wallet is best, a small offline device. For smaller daily amounts, a software wallet on your phone is fine. Either way, you'll be given a secret recovery phrase. This is your master key. Write it down on paper, store it somewhere safe like a fireproof box, and never, ever type it into a website or take a picture of it. That single mistake is how most people lose their funds. So let's bust the myths. Is Bitcoin hacked? No, people and platforms are. Is it backed by nothing? It's backed by mathematics and the most powerful computer network in the world. The system is designed to be unstoppable by any single entity. The final truth is this: Bitcoin is safe. Your job is to be safer. Verify, don't trust, and take control of your assets.